Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Central Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 10 p.m. At 9:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Gages Lake, or over Grays Lake, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Libertyville, Lake Forest, Gages Lake, Park City, Lake Bluff, and Green Oaks around 9:40 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.